3M on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart. If you look on my channel, we went over this chart May 27th and October 16th. At these arrows, we had a pullback over here back in May, and here in October, we were looking for the next set of pullback. We are getting that next set of pullbacks right now. I look at the history of this chart, found another pullback similar in dollar amount. We could experience a much deeper pullback as we do have a gap here to be filled. But right here, I'm just following through on the trading plan. If I can find a 3-price relationship, which we do have, we have 2 symmetry supports, and using my fib retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high, provides me with a 382 retracement. This is a pocket of potential support. I'm looking to see 3M hold this area and gives me a bounce to go long on a 15-minute time frame. On the hourly chart, we do have price trading above the 200 moving average. On a 15-minute time frame, we do have a trigger to go long. What you can do here, not financial advice, when market opens, if this chart still demonstrating strength back to the upside, consider physicising going long, but you still need to set your stop loss below this pivot low. Looking at some fundamentals, 2021, 35 billion, 2022, 34 billion, 2023, 32 billion. Now we do have that declining top line revenue, and back in 2023 they did take a big loss, and back in 2023 this company did take a big loss due to some lawsuits. Now jumping on a quarterly basis, the last couple of quarters they've been profitable, so that's a good sign. This is also a dividend paying stock for those of you interested in just holding stock, collecting dividends, selling cover calls. This may be a great candidate for you. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.